Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a live environment. Fund your account and ensure your platform provides real-time quotes and quick orders. Next, scan for liquid names, high volume and tight spreads, then add them to a focused watch list. Once done, choose your time frame. 5-minute and 1-minute charts reveal intraday structure. Make one firm decision now, your risk per trade, for example $100, and place visual markers for entry, stop, and target so your actions are disciplined from the first click. You proceed by refining the play. Analyze pre-market moves and news to identify catalysts, then watch the opening range for momentum. Use limit orders when you need a specific price, but be ready to use stop or market orders if speed matters. Level 2 helps judge supply and demand. Once you see your entry trigger, say a breakout or a pullback to VWAP, calculate position size from your predetermined risk and place an OCO order so your stop and profit target are managed automatically. You execute with intention, enter according to your trigger, and then manage the position, scale out at set targets, and use a trailing stop to protect gains as price moves in your favor. Make sure to respect time risk, exit or reduce exposure before big scheduled news or the last 30 minutes of the session. After the trade, record entry, exit, size, slippage, and rationale. If performance lags, review whether execution, sizing, or your edge is responsible and adjust accordingly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.